Alright, going to go over real quick how I go about solving a 4x4 Rubik's Cube. So first I'm going to establish a white side. Since there's our two cells over here, I'm going to bring this down. There's our bar. Here's a white. Here's a white. There's another bar. Unify the two bars. We have our white side. Make a yellow side. There's a bar right here. Want it over here, so I'm going to temporarily bring it out. Bring it back. White on one side, yellow on the other. Still missing half a bar. So we're going to put it over here, temporarily shifted. Swap this plane, bring it back, bring it back. There. So we created the white side and the yellow side to commence with the rest of the process.